Hello guys, welcome to eTrainer Box. In this video, we are going to learn about average IFS function. What is the difference between simple average, average if, and average IFS function? In simple average, you can average of the all values at one time. But if you have one criteria and you want to calculate the average, then you can use average if function. But if you have multiple criteria and want to calculate average of the values, then you can use average IFS function. Before I start further, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the all future videos notification. So in my database, I have cost center, gender, employee name and sales. So I want to calculate sales average by cost center wise and gender wise. So here I have two criteria. First one is co-center and second one is gender. So here I will use average IFS function equal average IFS bracket. The first argument is average range, which is sales range, and I will use the dollar sign to fix the range, comma criteria range 1. The first criteria is co-center. I will select the co-center range using dollar sign to fix the range, comma this is my criteria 1, comma criteria 2 range is gender, so I will select the range and use the dollar sign to fix it, comma and this is my second criteria and I will use the dollar sign to fix it, bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the average sales of cost center wise and gender wise. So I will copy this formula and paste it down. Similarly, I got the average sales of these all co-center with the gender of male. So if I want to change the gender, then I simply select the here female and you can get here average sales of female employees by these co-center. So in this way, you can use average IFS function in your daily work. Hopefully guys, you like this video. Thank you very much.